welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today is Motivational Monday. Yes, Motivational Monday. I need some motivation today, and I am so glad that I'm filming this for you. Oh, are you ready for today? Okay, here we go. I have routines. I have a morning routine. I have a night routine. I have my weekly home blessing that I do once a week. I know what days of the week I'm doing what. I have my planner. I have things on my desk to help me keep organized for She's in Her Apron. I have systems. I have all these systems to help me be an amazing homemaker, house manager. Yeah, but I still fall short. But that is normal because I am human. Yeah. Progress, not perfection, right? Right. So here's the thing. I still get overwhelmed. This past week, I have been getting rid of Christmas. I put Christmas away. Things above the eaves finally were taken down. Posters off the wall. So that is done. For the most part, I got to get one bin for some pillows and the poinsettias, but it's done. And then I'm trying to get the house decorated back to the way it was before all the holidays, and just getting simplicity. And of course, you're so motivated in the new year, right? To like change things, do better in things, like, you know, just all this stuff. Like the new year just gets you motivated, right? So I feel a little overwhelmed because I'm still playing catch up from the holidays. This past week has been good. A lot of things have gotten done, but I feel like I've been taking a few steps back as well. And there's so much I want to do. There are rooms that are cluttered. There's some piles of certain things in areas that I'm not happy with. So I want to do all the things. You know what I mean? I want to do it all. But I can't. And the family helps, but I don't demand too much. I just pick up your room, do your zone. I need to tell you about a concept that I'm absolutely loving right now that has been staying in the back of my mind with my other motto of progress, not perfection. And that is job. Job. Just one bite. And this I learned from my friend Jordan from funcheaperfree.com. She actually just did a video last week on this, which was perfect, showing how she was trying to catch up with her house. She's a busy mama. She works from home as well. She travels, and her house got a little out of control for her as well. And she just showed how just one bite can help you along the way. It helps kick out perfectionism and just helps you calm a little because you're tackling things just one bite at a time. Ooh. Right. How are you going to eat it? Like say you were going to eat a horse or an elephant or something huge. How are you going to do that? Just one bite. So Jordan, thank you, because all weekend that motto has been ringing in my ear. Just one bite. And then over here, progress, not perfection. And I just love the two together. The two together can make such a cute couple. So come along with me today as I pick certain areas that are just bugging me. I just want to take just one bite in these areas. Still have my routine, still have all that. I'll wake up tomorrow morning and can continue with my morning routine. I'll hit my night routine tonight. All is well. Okay? Okay. All right. Remember, progress, not perfection. We are making progress in our home. And any little thing that we do in our home blesses our home. Okay. Aprons on. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to take a bite out of my desk. Look at the top of this. Yikes, yikes, yikes. So I need to get this finished. So I'm going to do this because I need a clean space for a clean mind, right? For a clear mind to do all my creative work, right? So I'm going to take a bite out of this. Okay, my desk is all cleaned up. Here are my files that are quick and easy. These have like projects that I'm working on, or if I print up a bunch of recipes, one goes in there. So all the bills were put away that were under here, and there's my desk pad, which you'll be seeing later this week, and all cleaned up. There's my vacuum. But this is the to handle paper. I have a video on how I do all my inbound mail and all that. You'll have to check out the video, but anything that needs action gets put there, and I try to do it on Wednesdays, desk day, to handle anything that is in this bin, so that way it doesn't overpile or anything. Like, once it gets full, we need to take care of it. This is where I keep my Happy Planner books, sticker books. There are some more stickers in here. This is where I keep little notepads that I could take out and grab a pad and write notes with. That's all there. Right here are cards from you guys that I get in the mail that I try to write back on. So on desk day, I go through, I write a couple of thank you notes, I write you ladies back, and they get sent to you. So, and then here is my budget stuff that I need to take care of, which I'm going to be showing you at the end of the week, so you're going to have to hold on for that. So here is my desk ready to go for a brand new week. And I never showed you my wall in my office. Here is an apron from one of you, and my silver play button from YouTube. So on my wall I have that and an apron. It's fun. Every time I'm like, oh, what should I do next? I just look at this and look, you know, what started it, my motivation, my why, and the drive. Just, you guys have blessed our family, so that's what I have in my office. Pretty neat, huh? I think it's great. Alright, this is my laundry room, and it's filled with clean laundry. Every time something has come out of the dryer, it's gone into the designated basket for the person it belongs to. The baskets have gotten too full. We have had a busy week, and this has not been taken care of. So what I'm going to do is have the children come grab their basket and put their clothes away. And then I will put, this is killer, 1, 2, 3 baskets of Derek and I's away. So let's let these baskets of laundry disappear. The floor of the laundry room is done. The area that I wanted to take care of is for sure done. So laundry's getting put away by the children. How's it going?
It's going good.
Woohoo! Are you putting them in your drawers and hanging them up?
No, I'm just shoving them in the corner.
Oh, you're shoving them in the corner? Okay. Under the bed?
I don't have it underneath the bed, but I could try.
Okay. As long as you're doing it right, that's all that counts.
Okay.
Okay, love you.
Love you too.
Here is a pile of clothes that we have collected, I think starting last night, because I cleaned our room and the kids cleaned the bathroom. So this cannot stay here. So time to go divvy up into the dirty bins down in the laundry room. Oh, I swear this video is turning into a laundry Motivational Monday. It is what it is, right? Well, I want to switch over my laundry, and so I need to get these towels folded. thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you got a little motivated, and I hope maybe some anxiety went away. I hope you feel calmer about things. I do have lots of videos on my routines. I will leave the links below. I need to make a current video on it, but everything that I do is linked below, so go check out those videos. If you want to check out Jordan, oh, she's amazing. I absolutely love and adore her. I love that we're friends. I love that we have the same process, like thought process on things. Like she's, oh my gosh, she is a gem. I'll link her video, her channel, everything down below. But thank you again, Jordan. You've really just calmed me this weekend with so much change going on in my life and so overwhelmed that just one bite. We could do it, ladies. Go do a great job. I know you got this. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy Monday, and I hope you kick butt today. I know you will. I know you will. Progress, not perfection. We'll see you later. Bye.